Hey guys, this is Abhik, and today I'll be installing this RGB light in my Tata Tiago. So this is something that I bought. It's been a month and a half now. So I'll be installing this. Just open the wiring and just trying to figure out what's the best way to install this. So let's figure it out. So far I've just put the wires over here. This is something that I want to put under that side, driver's side, and I have placed one on the left hand side and a similar one, if you see, on the right hand side as well. So basically this is the plan. The best way I'm able to find is behind this. So let me just try and figure out how we can put this behind towards that side. So let me just figure out and try pushing this inside. Hopefully this will protrude on the other side and I'll be able to find it. Guys, as you can see, this has come out from the other side. I have turned on the light because it was quite dark inside, so I couldn't make out if this is coming out. But now this is out, so well done. One part is taken care of. Now let me just figure out the other things. So the next part now will be ensuring that we are able to kind of neatly tuck these sort of wires in. So there is some spot over here, as you can see. Under this there is a spot. Plus, if you see here, this particular center console which is there, you can put the wires neatly inside this. So this is what we are going to do now, and I'll need to use my two hands, both my hands basically, to finish this work. Let me just try and show you what is next. So here is the rear seat of my car, guys. So one quick tip I wanted to share: whenever you are inserting these wires, ensure that you insert it below this particular channel, because on top of this the seat would move on top of this, but this is quite stable, right? There will be no movement over here, so there's no chance of anything going bad. Okay, so keep that in mind. So you can, as you can see here, so I put it through this, and now I have a connection ready over here, and the same I did on this side. So if you see, I've taken the wires through this. It goes from inside this. There's nothing visible. There's a small bit of wire visible over here. If you see, I can put that in as well, and this goes inside the center console, and it directly comes out somewhere over there, and it goes inside directly. And this is the other one that we have here ready. So yes, the easy and the tricky part here, wherein where we need to paste it. So find a proper area. This seems to be a good one at this edge. So this is where I'll be fixing this, and then I'll probably put in these wires, or sort these wires out and put them here, tuck them inside. I have a full matting and carpet as well, so I can even put it inside that, but I don't want to do that work. I want to ensure that it is inside the panel and kind of safe, so that the car looks good. And it, as you can see, the interiors look quite clean. So I'll show you how this has been pasted, guys. Yes, so guys, so finally the work is done. As you can see, I'm badly sweating. It took me almost about half an hour or so to finish this work off, and I'll show you how it looks now. So basically, as you see here, that the wiring is done. This is where I have pasted. It's quite neatly tucked inside, and it is probably not visible from here. If you can see from this angle, it is not visible at all. You see here it is. Same goes for the driver's side. It is somewhere down there, as you can see, but it is again not visible at all. And for the rear seats, I hope you're able to see it. This is where I have stuck it. So again, this is not something that is visible from this angle. Same goes for this side as well. So yes, the work is neatly done and I'm happy with it. Let me just turn on and show it to you how it looks. I'll give you a night view as well, but this is how it looks as of now. Here, there, it's quite bright, and these are the ones. So all set. Now if I'll just show you how I've tucked this in. This is where it is. The console, if you see here, what I'll do is I'll put in a double tape here and I'll just put this mat in and I'll just keep this part out. This is the receiver, so I'll keep that part out and the rest of it will be inside, so hardly anything will be kind of seen or noticeable. I'll show you how it looks at night and watch out the night view and let me know if there is anything else that you want to know. Thanks for your time, guys. This is Avik signing off. Bye. Hey guys, so this is how it looks at night. Let me quickly turn it on. 1 second. So this is the minimum brightness that is there. Now I can definitely increase it. So let me just show you how bright it can go. So that's how bright, and I'll just turn this off as well. Here you go. So this is how it looks at the rear. Okay, and let me just turn this on so you're able to see the remote. So let me just change the color. So here is yellow, then you have orange, red, okay, then I'll just show you this blue is there. Okay, so it looks good, and you always you can also use these options which are there. I don't like them personally, but just in case if you want to use, you can. So there are different modes which are there. You can choose the ones that you want or the one that you like, and that's about it. So basically there's an option to turn off and on as well. This is off and on. So yeah, overall good. I think I paid about 380 bucks for this, and I would say it's worth. Okay, so guys, signing off, and do like if you like this video and the video has helped, and do subscribe to my channel. I'll bring similar videos in the future. Thanks for your time, guys. Take care and have a lovely day ahead. Bye.